So lesson 34, problem set in Algebra 1. Practice A, B, and C. They're doing exactly what we just did. What they're looking for, again, is just the numbers and letters you're going to pull out. They're not interested in what's inside. But I would like you to start practicing on putting what's inside because it's just good to be able to do that. Number 1, which of the following terms are like terms? So they're asking A, B, C, and D. Which ones of those, if any, are like terms? So your answer may be A and C. So not too much there. Number 6 and 7, those are some of those word problems you need to be careful of. Has the word decreased and opposite of a number. 8 and 9, they want you to use the factor tree to find the prime factors, which you've already practiced that a little bit. And 18 and 19, what you're doing there is you're solving. There's an equal sign, so you're trying to figure out what k equals for 18 and what x equals for 19. 20 and 21, you're doing more of finding the greatest common factor. You're pulling out what's common to each of those terms, and in both of those there's 3 terms, 3 sets of numbers and letters separated by a plus and minus sign. 22, you're adding like terms. 23, you're expanding by using the distributive property. So that is the opposite of finding the greatest factor. Finding the greatest factor pulls numbers out of the parenthesis. 23 and 24, using the distributive property, you're putting those numbers that you pulled out back in. So you're doing the opposite there. And that should be it for the problem set for lesson 34.